Hey guys, this is Gregor from PreSonus, and in this Studio One Minute, I wanted to explain to you what these mysterious LEDs mean that you see on every mixer channel in Studio One. Well, the first LED means that there's insert effects applied on that particular channel. For instance, here we see the first LED is turned on, so that means there's an insert effect present, as we can see here. The second LED means that there's scent effects being applied, so here, for example, we see a reverb is in place. The third LED is for mix effects. These mix effects can be added to bus channels or even the entire master out. So for example, as soon as I add the Alpine desk here on the master, the LED of all affected channels is being turned on. Finally, if you make the mixer just a little bit larger, you also get these LED strips here on bus and effects channels. And this shows you the amount of input channels that are going into this respective channel. This can be very useful when trying to remove unnecessary bus and effects channels. And it also makes it very easy to select and navigate individual channels going into this effects channel or bus.